Hey Gauri, welcome to Just Like That.
Thanks, Sahil. Thank you so much for inviting me here. And जब कुछ just like that होता है, वो best होता है. So thanks for creating this platform.
No, of course, because मैं बहुत दिनों से आपको LinkedIn पे देख रहा था, and you've been writing so much about self-compassion, and I said I must chat up with you just like that to figure out, is this something you're really passionate about? Because so many posts on self-compassion, right? Or is there a story behind all of these posts?
You got it right, Sahil. Yes, there's a story, my own story. So let me tell you that I took a break after birth of my daughter, or फिर I changed place also. So from a small place, I came to a city like Mumbai. मेरे लिए this transition was very difficult, and I always had it in me that I have to make a mark for myself, and I should be good with respect to everything that I do. So be it bringing my daughter or taking care of home. So Superwoman was something which I used to relate to a lot. तो सारा फोकस होता था, you work for 16 hours, 18 hours, no matter what, but do everything and do the best. So kind of
तो मैं ये भी कर लूं, मैं वो भी कर लूं, मैं डॉक्टर को भी देख लूं, मैं वर्क भी कर लूं, मैं पति को भी खुश कर लूं, एवरीथिंग, राइट?
एवरीथिंग, हाँ. और सब होना चाहिए एकदम परफेक्शन के साथ. मतलब ये नहीं कि जरा सा टच किया एंड you say that you did something. No, you have to do everything very well. So होता रहा, चलता रहा. और फिर in the process, what happened was I didn't take care of myself. It was a 6-day working job, and on top of that, I used to travel from Navi Mumbai to Bhandup. So वो traveling ही एक task होता था, because I would take 3 mediums of transport. It would be metro, local, then bus, and I'll have to take a rick also. So to cover all the distance. So it would take around 2 hours each side. So 4 घंटे तो वो traveling में ही जाते थे, and the kind of tiredness that comes with it was amazing. So ऐसे चलता रहा, and then no time for self, no thought for self first of all. And
I like the way you just said that, right? You said no time for self, and then you paraphrase to say no thought for self. Very well
I think
said.
that's critical, because when we think that something is important in life, we find time for it. Like we say, no, time manage mat karo, energy manage karo. So वो thought ही नहीं था कि ये भी कहीं पर होता है. As a young woman, I was like endless energy, so I can do everything. But body doesn't take it that way, and slowly I started having back pain. फिर से मैंने फोकस नहीं किया उस पर, because I had no time, no thought actually. So वो चलता रहा, and it aggravated to such an extent that then I had to go for CT scan, MRI, everything, and finally doctor said that it's arthritis. 32, 33 kind of.
Arthritis at the age of 32. My God.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, and then I checked with multiple doctors. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Then alternate medicine helped, because we were taking homeopathy since childhood. So for us, there was a way to take care of things if allopathy doesn't have an option. So wo liya, and it's been around 9 years. I have not faced any challenges. But reaching that stage itself indicates that there was something wrong with me. तभी भी अकल नहीं आई. वो फेज आया और वो बेड रेस्ट करके वो सब निकल गया. After a year, I started having fever, and this led to me again, no thought for self, no time for taking care of things, and it led me to again I was diagnosed with something, and I was bedridden again for 1.5 months. That was the trigger when I realized that I need to find time for myself, and it would not work out in long run if I just live my life like this. So वो जो सुपर वुमेन था और वो जो परफेक्शन था, वो सब खत्म हो गया. Though I did not understand at that point of time that it is something about self-love or self-compassion, that I realized after doing my psychology masters. But कुछ तो समझ में आया कि टाइम देना है खुद को, और ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस है कि सब कर लो, सब अचीव कर लो, वो नहीं हो पाएगा. And since then, it's like I realized that there should be some time for self, there should be some thought for self, and there should be everything on the plate, but I should be seeking help also. It's not that मुझे ही सब करना है. So there should be help, and that I utilized well during lockdown. So we divided work, and my family supported a lot because I sought help. If I wouldn't have asked for it, they would not realize that I need help. So पहले मुझे ऐसे लगता था, अरे तुमने पूछा नहीं तो तुम्हें खुद देखना चाहिए और तुम्हें मुझे help करनी चाहिए. But during lockdown, I said, okay, somebody will do utensils, somebody else would do clothes, and I would do cooking and all of it. And this way, I could do lot more things. जैसे आपने अभी बोला LinkedIn का, so everyday LinkedIn post started only during lockdown because I had that time.
Got it.
So this is how I realized the importance of self-compassion, self-love. एंड एक और जो मुझे लगता है बेसिक थॉट प्रोसेस था मेरे दिमाग में कि क्यों ऐसा है मेरे साथ, मुझे ही 2 ब्रेक्स लेने पड़े और मैं ही बहुत छोटी सिटी से आई हैड टू कम टू दिस प्लेस एंड आई कुडंट डू वेल. माय फ्रेंड्स, because basically I am computer engineer, so most of my classmates are abroad now and they are well established, and I would think that मुझे नहीं हो पाया. So now I know with self compassion it has 3 parts, and I would like to give this message to our audience today, that focus on these things. Life should be lived holistically. It should not only be about your achievements or only be about yourself. That should also be not be happening. Number 1 is self love. Self love is critical. It's called as compassion. So having that feeling for others, understanding somebody's pain, and then doing something to get rid of that pain. So if you see somebody who is homeless, do you feel that pain about that person? That's compassion. So that's the same thing we should have for ourselves. When we don't do good, we should be considerate about ourselves. That's first thing. Second is failure happens with everybody. That needs to be understood, that you are not the only one who's facing this. There's so many people who would have, there are women who have studied much more than me, and they are homemakers today, or they are not able to do something because of various restrictions or various constraints that they have, or their value system, whatever. And finally, being mindful. So wherever you are, with me, what was happening when I would be at home, I think कल क्या करना है ऑफिस में, क्या काम रह गया है. When I would be at work, I would think, अरे यार डॉटर का ये करना है, उसको पिकअप करना है, ये करवाना है, अभी उसको इस competition में डालना है. So that being in present moment was missing, and that's where productivity also was not higher at any of the places. And at the same time, my satisfaction level also was very low because dhyan kahin aur hi hai. I am not here. So these 3 things I have started using in my life now, and it has changed. Like one example, I already cited that I sought help from everybody at home, and now I understand. ठीक है, घर नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं मैनेज हो रहा है, लॉकडाउन में सबके साथ वही हुआ है. It's fine if it is not so clean the way you would want it to, but it's fine. It's just fine. It's fine if your daughter is not standing first every time. It's okay to live like that. If you are not getting the highest rating at work, even that is okay. Be happy in whatever you are doing. So that's my message, Sahil.
Gauri. So it is okay. And I think that's the takeaway from this lovely conversation. It's okay to be not the best person. It's okay not to be the top performer. It's okay not to have the house spick and span. As long as you're happy, as long as there's compassion, and most importantly, as long as there's love all around. Gauri, thank you so much for joining us on Just Like That.
Thank you so much, Sahil.